All right, so this is the second part of our Cartesian art program that we are generating and writing at the moment. So we left off with our cutting tool um, coming back up out of the part over here. So we were on line N300. So we're going to go ahead and start writing this next. So we'll be in 310 here as the line of code. Now, our last line was a G0 or GO, which basically put us in rapid rate. So we are going to move now to the very first coordinate position for line 3. So that's going to be x15.000 and y of 6.000. Now I want you to stop to think about the fact that we are moving that tool as fast as the machine can go, and we are 100,000ths above the part. So you need to make sure that the cutting tool is up out of the part when you're moving in rapid rate. So now let's go to the next line in 320. Now we're going to slow it down because now we want the cutting tool to go back down into the part. So we're going to say G01 here, and we'll say Z of minus 0.030, and we're going to give it a feed rate again. So we'll say feed of 3.0. So we're slowing that down and getting it to go back into the part. So now it's inside the part after that line runs 330. We're going back now and we're back to basically writing the Cartesian points that we were given on the print. So 18.7 is that one. Let's go to N340. This will be x of 17, y of 6. Next line will be N350, x of 18, y of 5. Next line, N360, x of 17, y of 4. N370, x of 18, y of 3, N380, x of 15, y of 5. Okay, now let's come down and take a look. So at this point, we are finished with that. So, and our next line of code here would be N390, and again, we're going to go Z of 0.10. We're going to go 100,000ths above the part. So get that up and out of there. So notice I'm going to kind of show you this. So we are now finished with the part. So while before we had preparation code, now we kind of have this ending code. So after the end of the tool is finished, we're going to retract the tool back about an inch above the part. So that's going back to this next line here that says N930. We're going to correct these. So we'll change this to N400. And we can say that becomes N401 or 410 here. This then would be N420, N430. So now, let's read what's going on here. So we're taking the tool back to 1 inch above the part. Then now that we're in rapid rate, we're going to x of 2.0 y of 1.0. That's just going to kind of move and help bring the part closer to the operator, so the operator will have an easier time to move the part in and out of the machine. And then at this point, M05 is going to stop the spindle, and then M30 will stop the program and it'll rewind. And let me go ahead, we'll get this particular part out. So let's plot this to see, and there we go. So we've got this particular piece of candy with our program. Our program is all written and finished. So as a reminder, your prep code will be the first, anywhere generally from the first 5 to 10 lines of code, followed by the body of the program, which is your tool movement, and then the ending statements of the program here. So this is the very first program that you've actually written. We've done this. I'm using our small one. Now you have your Halloween Cartesian art coordinate chart there to start to go in and write and program yours now as well. So good luck, and I look forward to seeing your programs.